Hi, this is Mike from Superbee, and I'm here to show you one of the most commonly used tools in a bike shop, the cable and housing cutter. And for my shop, the TB-WC30 is a favorite. All right, now we're going to go ahead and install some rear derailleur housing. First, we need to measure it. Stick it in here. Hold it in place. And then you want a nice big loop going into the rear derailleur. All right, now time to give it a cut. Okay, now that the housing is cut, you want to open up the plastic liner inside. This tool has a handy little poker for doing just that. And then if you really want to do a good job, what I like to do in my shop, I use a file and I carefully file the end so it sits nice and square in the ferrule. And now you're ready to install your housing. Now I've installed the end caps, I've threaded the cable through, and let's see, now I need to tighten the anchor bolt on the rear derailleur. Shimano likes 6 Newton meters, so I'm going to use an adjustable torque wrench set to 6 Newton meters. All right, we're all torqued up. Last thing I need to do is to get my cable cutters and snip off the end. Now I'm going to cut the cable. I like to use a width of 2 fingers. So I use 2 fingers, I hold it with my thumb, and now it's set to the right length. Now it's time to crimp on the end cap. With this tool, we have a crimp right here. So grab it, hold it in place. All right, we've now installed a cable and a housing using the TB-WC30.